Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be reviewing the LG 32UR500K-B, which is a 32-inch 4K UHD monitor designed for both gamers and content creators. So if you want to check the latest pricing and the availability of the product, the link is in the description. So first of all, this monitor features a 3840 by 2160 4K resolution on a 32-inch panel, which delivers the crisp detail and plenty of screen space for multitasking. Whether you are editing the photos, working with timelines, or gaming, the clarity is immediately noticeable. The color performance is one of its strongest points, with up to 90% DCI-P3 color gamut coverage and HDR40 support. You will get vibrant, accurate colors that work well for the creative tasks and entertainment. That said, while HDR10 is supported, the effect can feel a bit subtle, especially in the darker scenes. It's good but not high-end HDR. For gamers, the LG includes dynamic action sync to reduce the input lag and black stabilizer to brighten the dark scenes. This feature is going to give competitive players a slight edge, especially in the fast-paced shooters. It's not a high refresh esports monitor, but for casual 4K gaming, it's perform well. Now you will also get the built-in stereo speakers with max audio. They are decent for the everyday use, fine for YouTube, casual gaming, or the background music. But if you care about the immersive sound, you will still want the external speakers or the headphones. The connectivity is also solid with two HDMI ports and a display port, making it very easy for you to hook up a PC, console, or secondary device. The on-screen control software is also a nice touch, letting you adjust the settings and split your workspace easily. So if you want a solid all-around 4K monitor for work, for casual gaming and media consumption, this LG 32UR500K-B delivers a real value. It's especially appealing for the creators who need good color accuracy without paying the premium prices. But if you demand the top tier HDR or fully adjustable ergonomics, you may want to step up to a higher end model. Again, if you want to check this product out, the link is in the description. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.